Hey guys,
Hey guys, it's Vintage Day.
we're in the Flatiron District and we're going to check out some vintage dishware
Get a classic egg cream.
and visit our favorite typewriter shop. Fishs Eddy is a large store located on Broadway at the corner of 19th Street, which is known for their affordable and sometimes vintage dishware with quirky designs. Fishs Eddy was founded in 1986 when the owners Julie Gaines and David Lenovitz stumbled upon a small hamlet in upstate New York and discovered an old barn that had stockpiled restaurant dishware that had survived a fire. They offered to buy the soot-covered plates, bowls, platters, cups, and saucers, and brought them back to New York City, where they cleaned them and sold them in their newly opened store using the same name of that small town, Fishs Eddy. Would you like to get your pet portrait done? The owner's son, Ben Lebovitz, is the artist-in-resident at Fishs Eddy and paints portraits of your pet on the fly in a charming, whimsical way that captures the animal's personality. You can bring your pet inside the store or just give him a photo that captures their character.
They have a lot of really cool stuff here.
Yeah, we've bought lots of dishware here and plan on bringing Hudson back to have his portrait done. In addition to the Flatiron Building, which has a uniquely triangular narrow footprint, there's lots of interesting architecture around here. Fishs Eddy's building was constructed in 1883 in the Queen Anne style and was one of the first apartment buildings and mixed-use buildings ever constructed. Hey guys, we're in the Flatiron District. To get here, take the 23rd Street stop on the RW train. Eisenberg Sandwich Shop, located on 5th Avenue near East 22nd Street, was established in 1929 by Carl Eisenberg.
Even though it has a newer owner, the luncheonette has not changed its menu or its decor.
We absolutely love its vintage interior, which is set up with a long lunch counter with steel diner stools, wood paneling and photos lining the walls, and even a back seating area with tables and chairs. Eisenberg serves breakfast all day, a variety of sandwiches, soups, burgers, hot platters, and desserts, all at affordable prices. We got a classic egg cream, which despite its name, has neither eggs or cream in it. It's made with really cold milk, flavored syrup, we got vanilla, and seltzer water. The name egg cream is said to have been derived from the egg white-like foam which rises to the top of the cup.
Eisenberg serves one of the best egg creams in New York, and for only $2, it's a bargain.
Now we're headed over to Madison Square Park, where we can sit down and have our egg cream. Gramercy Typewriter Company, located on Fifth Avenue, right next door to Eisenberg Sandwich Shop, was founded in 1932 by Abraham Schweitzer. It is the oldest operating typewriter business in New York City and is currently being run by the second and third generation owners, Paul and Jay Schweitzer. They not only sell fully reconditioned typewriters, but also provide cleanings, maintenance, and have a vast supply of ribbons for all vintage typewriters. They also offer free estimates on all repair work. Invoices and receipts are still typewritten, and Paul even prints his weekly income on an old manual calculating machine. Celebrity clients include Tom Hanks, who eulogized typewriters in his documentary California Typewriter, and all the typewriters seen and used in his recent film The Post were all from Schweitzer's store. Doesn't that J look exactly like the key that I have around my neck? Gramercy Typewriters just recently opened a new location on West 17th Street near 6th Avenue, which acts as a showroom for their reconditioned typewriters they sell, and also as a drop-off point for typewriter repair and purchasing ribbon supply. They even have typing stations set up where you can try out their various typewriters before purchasing them, and have lots of typewriter memorabilia on display. We own 6 vintage typewriters, including our oldest, a 1925 Royal 10, and our favorite, a 1947 Remington Noiseless Model 7. We often visit Gramercy Typewriter to purchase ribbon, and also bought a key there, which was missing from a typewriter we found at a thrift shop. Hey guys, we had a great time today in the Flatiron District, checking out vintage dishware, finding out that we can have Hudson's portrait painted right on the spot at Fishs Eddy, having a delicious egg cream from Eisenberg Sandwich Shop,
Hudson really enjoyed it too.
and visiting Gramercy Typewriter Company. We hope you enjoyed our Flatiron vintage-inspired video. Please hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up if you liked it. We'll be posting more videos weekly.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys!